Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar and in this video we'll see about supplementary items. Now first of all let me go to my release product. I will go to product information and management. Let me go to release product and let me pick this product, con product, and here let me go to purchase or 1 second. So here we have supplementary sales items here, and for purchase as well we have supplementary purchase item. So what happens generally whenever you buy any product, let's say if you are buying any product, so many times if you buy certain quantities of product, like for example you buy 5 quantity of product, so you will get one item as complementary or supplementary. And there could be also a scenario where if you buy one item, so you will get buy one get one free as well. Like so, let's take this particular scenario, buy one get one. So for that, what we'll do, we'll click on new, and here let's say if you buy this con product, so I'm going to select a particular vendor here. So yeah, let me go with this one. And now which supplementary item you want to give? Okay, so we are buying this product con product. Let's say we will give one product as complementary. So let's say if you are buying this product, we'll give one supplementary product as this one. Okay, and here you can specify all the information, and let me say one and save this, and I will select this free of charge. Now what I will do, I will duplicate this. So the scenario that I'm seeing here is not this one. So for example, let's say if the customer buys even one particular product or even 20, 100, so that will I will give one I will receive one product as free. So let me tell you from system, then you will understand. So let me go to procurement and sourcing, all purchase order, and here you can specify from date and 2 days. Let's say this offer is only valid for a particular day, month, week. We can specify these. Now what I will do, I will create a new purchase order, and I will need to select that vendor, that is 1001. So 1001 is this. I'll click OK. Now what I will do, I will buy that particular product. Which product? This CON product, and I will click on CON. Here I will select this product, and let's say the site and warehouse is this. So there is only one quantity. Now what I will do, I will go to my purchase, and here I will click on this supplementary items. So if you will see, now I am getting one quantity as supplementary item. Now let me change the quantity to 100. What I said. So let me go back to that notepad. Let's say even if I will buy 20, then also it will remain same. So when I click on supplementary items, then also if you see, I am only getting one specific product here. Now let's say, see, in all this scenario, we are only going to get one item as supplementary. Now let's say if you are buying, if you want the buy one get one type of this type of entry, okay, let's say buy one get one, then we'll go with buy one get two as well. Cancel this. For that, we'll need to select here multiple. So let me say this. Now when I will enter the multiple quantities as 1, now if you see, currently the quantity that I have ordered is, let me keep it 20 now. Now if I will click on my supplementary items, so I'm going to receive 20 items, right? So I will click OK. So if you see here, there is no price associated with this supplementary item. There is Surface Pro 128 GB. This is totally a complementary item. So I'm going to remove this. Now the scenario that I will do is buy one get two. Okay, buy one get two. So for that I will go to, again, same thing. I will go to release product. I will go to purchase. I will go to supplementary purchase item. Now we have buy one get one two one, right? So I will click on edit. So here, if I will, let me explain this. Yeah, so if I will buy one, so I want to give two, so I can write here one and I can say two, and this should, sorry, one, not one, two here, and the multiple quantity should be one only. Now what will happen if I will if I will calculate my supplementary items now instead of 20, I will get 40 items. I will get double one. I'll click OK. We have seen this scenario where we'll be only getting one product as free, then buy one get one, then buy one get two. Let's consider one more scenario. Now consider a scenario where the user will buy 10 items, then I want to give one item as free. Okay, if I buy 20 items, I want to give 2 items as free. If you will buy 25, still 2, but as soon as it will go to 30, I will give 3 items as free. Actually, it's a all purchase scenario, so we will receive all this product, but I'm sorry, but I'm saying that I will receive. So instead of receiving, I will actually receive these products. So please excuse me for that. So let me remove this first. Okay, now the scenario that we are doing here is, if the user will buy 10 product, we are going to give one product as free, and here the multiple of 10 should be there. Now I will save this, and now I will go here. Now currently it's 20, so I should get 2. I'll click on supplementary item. So if you see, I'm getting 2 items. Now I'll change it to 25. It should still give me 2 only. I'll click on supplementary items, again 2. But as soon as when I will change it to 30, I will click on supplementary items again. And if you see, now we are getting 3 quantities. So we have covered all the scenario where we'll get only a single product as free, then buy one get one, then buy one get two, then again like it's a conditional one. Yeah, and even we could have multiple product as well. For example, let's say if in this particular user will get 2 different quantities, so you can add one more here and do all this configuration. So thank you for watching this video.